Malolau malia hou e ki mwelelei ai tonga hono kotoa. Whiawhia ke utalitalelei ki mautolu ki hono mo uniongongo mweletio kai umaafa ke televisone tonga ki he houani. Wakai ko ia ki he ngahi ilu iongongo. Amanaki ke haelea e he tamatu ifale o Penis kalau ni te pautang alukalala o huwhia ke polofo o hono wa atongani I vavau a pongpongina. O la lelei ai tokoni ai pule angasiaina ke sektoa ngowe I amanaki ke kakato ai konga hono fitu a enau polo kalama tokoni I loa koe China Aid. Pea fili a Sami Wilavao ke hoko koe supervisor pule I he Komson fili a Tonga. E to ia epe me ngahi talanoa ke he anayang e whatamu wakai ke he whamimitaha me he mala e oi sipoti ka uma afo ke whakamatala e ang ka koe wakai lewa eni ke whai kiki ko asenolita to I vai. O ku amanaki ke haelea e he tamatu I whakale o Penis kalau ni tu poutoa o lukalala o huwhi ai kei polofo o hono wa atongani I he waifunua wawao a pongpongina. Whai ki ke talanoa ko ia ki he houani pia mo pia o lie.
I he whakake ke he ngonga le te o Tonga, mo I pure lahi e kautaha kei polo a Tonga, se mispa nove, nā ne pehe ai koe taua ke ne tolu, a no whakatoka e kei polo koe ni, pia koe ne toki kakato e ni. Nei kamata e aria e polo kalama ngā ue koe ni, ti se mai taua noa ua tolu, pia kamata ai whakatoka e kei polo I maa se ua noa ua whaa. Nei whakamala alai a pā nove, ki he lei a hano whakotu e kei polo koe ni I Tonga ni.
No le digo que kei polo koe ni, and support the studying like practical consulting with Amanaki people take over in the presidency and normal I connectivity to Tongan people to Mama. I'm going to like sai que people can con una con toma una cosa y ven que le echa de la don ni casa yo tu mamá so we are here to buy the project que provide the genes and the reality evidence it connected to mamá
O kumahino koe kei polo hono wā eni, a tongani, ka koe fōfua kei polo eni, ke ngāwe aki hanga tonu ki tua pure anga.
O kuwikia he pule anga siaina ai ngawe aki lele he potungai ngowe, ai whainga maalie na fuaki mai ke tai maalie a tongani, I ngahi tokoni ki he sektoa o ngowe. I he pongpongi ni na e whamooni alia pāwai ai pule anga siaina me minista ngowe, ke ngahi tokoni nau tokoni, ki he sektoa ngowe. Koe polo kalamani na iai tonu a li te atau kapo, o ne mai whaiki ki tala no koe ki hawani.
I he polo kalamani na e whaakia I he ambastoa asiaina ki Tonga ni His Excellency Li Wei Min, ai nau tokoni ki minista ngowe, Miliami Siswa. I he mea minista ngowe na ane whakamahu inga iai a lelei a whengawe aki me pole anga siaina, I ono whakaivia a sektoa ngowe I Tonga ni. O mahino ke taulahi eni a whakalakalaka ai sektoa ngowe I ngai ilo fo o, makatuunga me he ohi mai me he kāinga Asia. I he whakaike eke ai o ngonga ai leiti o Tonga me pule lahi leo ai potu ngawe ngowe, kalati ha foka. Nāne pehe ai koe tau mua ai whakamooni a lea pau e pongpongi ni, I he amanaki ke kakato ai konga hono fitu ai polo kalama tokoni a siaina ki hono tokonia ai sektoa ngowe. Neongo e tō kakato eni I he tau fo ou, ka kua whaaki kakato mai ai I he pure anga siaina, e ngahi mea ngā ue na nau whetuku mai ki Tongani ke whakahoko aki ai ngā ue ki he potu ngā ue. Ka ngai mea ngā ue ko I niu ku kau kia I ngai misini o ngā ue aki ki tō kanga, aki e whakakaukau fo ou. Ka ngai misini ki he whangamanu me ngahi nau ki he pē.
Ai koe project ko ni koe konga no fitu e project koe talo e ka mata mai e project ko ni whafofua ke wāwhi mahi wa. Pako aluinge o wai tahi hongo fulu tupu e mawhenga e aki pia moi. Project ki koe ni, Ecrotech project, pia koe face hono fitu e ni, I Tongatapu ni, e project koe ni, e ose ke tau fo o. Pea koe polkalama koe ne whahoko he pongpongi ni koe nau hao ngai a he projeki o hen ova mai ai ngahi nau ko toa pēne nau ngai aki. Ai ka wai ngahi, koe konga lahi ngahi nau, koe nau ke maule epi. Ai koe koe i whama, whanau, ngahi nau koe ato koni ai ki he mau. A lepi koe i whama, ngahi mea ngau ko toa pe whalepi, papehefo ke ngahi nau ki he whamon manu. I ai pa ngai nau to kon ke ngowe. Papehefo ke ngahi nau pe ki he nau whale, ka hanko i pe mo ngahi nau wha ofisi, na nau ngai ake he project koe ni.
Lolo tonga eni, na e toi whakama ala i aha whoka ki he lelei e tokoni ko eni e pureanga siaina ki he sektoa ngowe a tonga ni.
Pea koe talo mau whenga aki pea mo e project koe e kau siaina mamulawe i pe he tawhaki koe ki he Vesta Polo. Pea pe he whoki ki he nau tokoni mai tawhaki koe pai o kes i ono e mau whenga koe ke lava pe o supply pe i Tongani ai mau anga kiki tata te fito ke whampua kapa mai whamoa tokoni mai project koe ni e whafufoa koe o e whamoa i he mawa koe o e whamon manu koe i tō mololo pea ko tui maha koe tānoa ia o ngahi ahoni ngahi tokoni whenga aki koni na whai koe mu kausiaina i kai ngata pēna o tokoni koe ono i he Vesta Polo ngahi tau kei me ngahi ilo kuna wanga o share mai ki kau ngau e potu ngau e papehepe ke kakai whonua Vesta Polo koe apuaka papehefo ki he whanga moa. Ai koe ngai whenga aki ko ia o mahino ku o ki ai pe ne e tokoni mai project ko ini ke whalagalaka te whalalota nge ilo ko ia ke whonga hano tauhi ko ia o e Vesta Polo papehefo ke ngai pai o kes ko osi inasi ai ngai whamito lahi ai i Tongani.
Lolo tonga ia nai pehea i minista o Potungawe William Sisfa. Ko ngai whengau aki mau inga e ni tau te whito ki unu whakatau mua ki lelei whalu ku fua ai ka gai mo i whonua. Ko toko nau ko ini nai whakafofua a hono mahu inga whakapaanga mo i paanga e taha kilu tupu. Ma ai o ngonga le te o me televisione tonga ko auri i tea tau kapo.
Kua whili a Sami Wela Vao ta utolungu fulma fitu o lo mai viti mo utulau ke hoko ko supervisor pule pe koe pule lahi e Potungau i Komson Whili a Tonga. Ko hili ene ne whetong e supervisor whai whili pule malolo pita vuki. Li te atau kapo e pe mai whai ki.
Ko e hili eni ai tali he poate e kau komisiona ma ai Komsoni Whili a Tonga, ke ne hoko ki e lakangani i hono Moimoi i mo whakakakato e he poate, ai ngai whaunga to tonu ke ano whakahua tu pe whili hataha ki e lakangani. Nai ka matalau ai pe i aho walu o e mahinani, ke ne ngau e aki ai lakanga koe pule lahi. Ko vao na ne leo pe i he lakangani hile e pensoni pe poaki malolo a supervisor pule malolo ko pita vuki. O ku mahino ke whatongia mahu inga ai supervisor o Komsoni Whili ke ne toka ngai ai ngai ngau e whakaaho ai Komsoni Whili. Whakahoko ngai tuutuuni ngau e whakatatau ke tuutuuni ai lao o Komsoni Whili pe amolipoti hanga tonu ki e poate ai kau komisiona. Ma ai o ngonga le te o me televisione tonga, ko auri i tea tau kapo.
Pea aku kei hoko atu pe ai ngā aue kau polisi ke na poke ni iho kunau tō, tu whaki mo ngawe ake whaito kona tapta e whakalau i Tongani. Ne te poke he kau polisi, he toko ua mi matai ka Tongatapu, koe matapule tau whango fulu, mo e whiwhine tau tonga fulu mātolu i wha o singa e wike o whilawe i, mo e tu whaki ta e whakalau e whaito kona tapu kalasi o IC. Ko hili eni ai mau e he kau polisi e whakamatala whalala anga ko toko ua ko eni o kuna tu whake whaito kona tapu kalasi o IC ke ni ihi o e community. Nai mau pe poke whataha i ki naua, whataha pe mui IC, pe mui ngahi nau ngau e aki ki hono mau he IC, ko ngahi puha foi a kau e whitunga fulu tupu, pe heki he paanga Tonga, no usila Australia mo Amerika. Kai ki hoko atu pe ngai kau polisi ke no poke ni ihi o kuna tu whake whaito kona tapta e whakalao i Tongani. Uni a ngonga whalatu whanua i ki Hawani te tau whakailewa eni ki whamimitaha mei he mala ai o e sipoti, whahauka te e pia o lie.
I he whetaki ni mai komisoni whamawhora rea Tonga me potungau e ngahi ngau e whaloto whanua pe mia. Malawa i ke whamawhora te mala e sipoti me whiahi Super Rugby Pacific wanoa ua no. Whamalo ke Eik Minister me tawai sipoti ai potungau e i whenga e aki ua whakahoko. Malo mai tau ki whilonga ki koe whakainge mala e o e sipoti. Nei mai moa e tama peri nisi tau whahau manu mataongo e whaawa i Whiahoka Puru Union e ngai kolisi o Tongatapu e whaasinga e wike. O tawhamala e kolisi ko tupou mo ea kolotoroto a lia hona he pāke te uwhaiwa. Ko e kamata angai pe e whahai tau o ka pulu ne ti pola mo e soka ngai kolisi ai e whahafuafua ki mahina e ua mo e konga e whahauka e whiahuini tuku kehe e soka mo e ne ti polo. Whanatau ki hongonga tuku mai be mihi komin sipoti, whafuafua ki wike e hongo fulu e whakahauka e whiahui aka pulu, pia koe mala e soka e tok whapapau i ngai timi ki he koe ia e wikeni, i taimi e whakahauka e whiahui. Karo tonga ni ko toka mua e tūku i motu i toke lau, ai e Tongatapu ni pe, na kamata e whalaite kua o si o whanonga ai, ki e whainolo whafuafua ki awa wha o siu lai. Kai kehe koe whanau tangata lalahi, na ova senturi ai poini koia, ai ako marunga o ria hona i ako marunga ko tūpou a ke kai, koe te au tahauno ki he tolu. Tau whare e koe samfo o e ako marunga a tonga, a ke kai koe wano ki he whitu pia mahanga e koris tonga, mo e koris ko tūpou koe tau aki wano i he taulahi e aho, he whiahi koe ia ai senior, pe koe team si fwe tau tahawalu.
Ko pia oli e me whamumitaha mehe mala e oe sipoti, te tawa kai lewa heni ki he tuunga oe ea, tuku mai me senta whamatara ea tongai whamotu, moe patungai meidek.
Alo e la mare ho ekipa melele e tonga kotoa tai leiping motol ke tau whamatala ia. Mainu pe tau whai whanonga me koe hoa o whaku o sina e lahi ke alta makpea na tūla, au fia whotonga e langi, uha tū moto hako au ke hawiri malo whatu mau. Tau te whito eni ki he ngahi potahi koia o Tonga. Ka kangani tau wakai koe ki hoa wa whaka hoko maipa me tau whai whanonga tuwe me he pōni o au koia ki a pongpongi. Ke i toka pe e alo tamaki e Tonga. Tene ke i omi pe e au fia, uha tū moto, lolo lahi e ngai taimi e ngai whitu upa waipa mo whanga maari e ki he mana ki he otu Tonga. Pe foki ki he hawiri e ki hako pe ki he ngahi wahi whanua pe foki e ngai potu tahi o Tonga. Pe malawa ki tō taku au ki hawiri malohi whakatupu mau. Ka koe wakaen ki he imisi satelaite koe au aho ni hangipi koe au haat koe pa me imisi satelaite ai toka koe alo tāmaki i he o Tonga. Pa me he whakatoke laupe ongo niwa o au ki potahi koe au teriki Tonga. Pea mo teriki toke lau. Ne o mea au fia, uha tū moto, hako o au ke hawiri malo i whatu mau. Na tau whea au mai muia i he ngahi vai whanua pe fo ki ngahi potahi ko ia o e otu Tonga. Ka tau wakai ki he ngahi wheitu ko ia toi haa mamangi ai, pe haa matolo ai au. Ko e ngahi e ria eni, o ku hoko ai uhalahi, hoko ai mana, pe fo ki ngahi hawiri tō taku o au ke hawiri malo i whatu mau, e ngahi e ria ko ia ku hātu. Ha mamangi ai pe ha matolo ai ao i ho tau ngahi potutahi pa pe hoko tau ngahi wahe whanua. I re pe heu matunga i hono ki tuku atuka e whatokanga uhalahi tā whea ki he ngahi wahe whanua ko i o wawao. Ha apai Tongatapu pea mo eua malawa ke whanwhanu i ngai whitu kou maulalo ange i he ngahi wahe whanua ko ni tupu pea me he uhalahi. Ko e hawiri o ki tuku pepa mo e whatokanga hako ki he ngahi wahe whanua ko i o wawao ha apai Tongatapu pea mo eua. Pe hoki ho tau ngahi potutahi o ki tu pepa mo i whatokanga hawiri malo i whatu mau mo i whare epeke ngai wakaiki ke oa mo te whai hao ki tahi. Tau te whito pen ke potutahi ko ia o wawao pea pe hoki ki haapai. Tupu pen pa me malo hi ma ko ia ai alo tamaki i tau whai whanunga tua me poni ki a pongpongi. Kai ngā tae o ki tuku pepa mo i whatokanga hako mo i whare iko ke ngai wakaiki ki e potutahi ko ia ngoni ua Tongatapu e ua teriki Tonga pea mo teriki toke lau. Pea koe arawene ni ma koe ka hoko mai koe alo tāmakin tene ke i toka pe i heo Tonga kamatai a pongi o au ke aho koe ni ma ka hoko mai ka e whaka au pe ke mawahe atu ai alo tāmaki ki he konga loto koe ia o e wikeni pea te kai ai haviri o angi moko pe mihe Tonga mo Tonga hake ki kotoa o tu Tonga ki kamata ia pe mihe konga loto koe wikeni o au ki he whakaosinga koe wikeni angi moko ai ea pe mihe Tonga mo Tonga hake ko hui pe koe alomari ko ia une toka ki he whakatonga tene pure i hake ne ome alomari pe foki haviri ko wangi moko pe mihe Tonga mo Tonga hake konga loto wikeni o au ki he whakaosinga o wike Kau whamatala ego pa mihe pōni o au ki he pongpong ko ia pongpongi hangi pukona tau lawe ki ai kei toka pe alo tāma ki he o Tonga. Ngahi eria koe nuku halan mata tu halan pulu. Koe ngahi whitu o hokoi ai uha. Koe ngahi whitu o hokoi ai uhalahi pa pe foki he mana ai ku halan mata halan wingenga tu. Kau ne whakaha ia tu e alo tāma ki ne toka koe o Tonga. Koe ia e lahi ki a whia pe o Tonga i he pōni pea uha tu moto malawa ke lololahi a ngai taime me whinga maari ki he mana. Pea koe fua mawhana i he pōni, koe moko tāne fua mawhana e au ki maulalo koe tikiri e ua wha. Whatonga nge, maulalo tā koe fua mawhana o kui kai ke fu. Mawhana o kai ke fu moko, koe hi pē koe lahi au whia koe ia fua tunga langi. Ua wha ai ki Tongatapu e mo iwa ua nima i ki he vai whanua koe wawau pēfo ki he otu haapai pea o tikiri se sase waono ki he ongo niwa. Koe hawiriu pa mi he toke lau haha ke ko toa pe o otu Tonga, mare tahia e ua noa ki he ua nima. Hiki hake wau ki he mare tahi e tolu noa ke tolu nima tau te whitoini ki he otu haapai pa pēfo ki wawau. Tuhu pen pa me malohi mai ko ia ai alo tamaki pa me poni o au ko ia pongpongi. E awa e hawiri ki hawiri malohi whatu mau ki he otu haapai pa pēfo ki wawau. Tau whai whanua koe pa me poni ki a pongi. Ka koe whamatala ia koe ki a pongpongi e ki toka pe alo tamaki e he o Tonga lahi au whia e whotunga langi uhatu moto malawa ke lolo lahi i hangahi taimi hangahi wheitu e ongo niwa pe whoki wawau pe mo haapai o uhatu moto ki Tongatapu au whia e whotunga koe a langi peo ki iei pe mo whanga maari ia ki ha mana. Ka koe malunga tahane fua mawhana ke a pongpongi e au ke malunga koe tikiri e wa whitu Tongatapu e pa mo iwa wa walo haapai pa pe whoki ki wawau pea o tikiri so sase wa hiva ki he ongo niwa. Ka koe taimi koe ia tahi e tau maari tahi i he tau wanima koe ke whaa i he pongpongi a pongpongi pea matoka ia tau nima koe ki hongo fulu i he pongpongi e pe moia a pongi. Koe la a pea moe mahina, hope la a i he osminte walu koe pa me whitu, pongpongi a pongpongi pea toe mahina o sua whaa koe pa me he ua i he tua pō ia e pōni. Ka koe koe nima ka hoko mai, ki Nuku'alofa ka matai pa me pule lulu au ki he sāpati koe ia whakaosinga wikeni, koe pule lulu o malawa ke kei ao whia pe a Nuku'alofa pe moa ngahi uha tu moto ka whakaau ke alomari atu ke tu o pule lulu o au koe ia ki he whakaosinga o wike alomari nei a Nuku'alofa. Fua mawhana e au ke tikiri so sasi e wafitu ki he wawalo ki he aho koe ia e nima ka hoko mai. Pea koe tau ngatanga pe ki aho ni kai malopito mo mea mai. Ka mo mea.
Whamatala e ai ki hauani ka ki mopatau mawai, tau te wakaipe he ni ki he ngahi ulu i ngō. Amana ki ke haelea e he tamatu i whale o penis kalau ni te pōtang o Nuku'alofa o huwhia ke i polofo o hono wa atongani i wawau a pongpongina. O lalelei e tokoni ai pule angasiaina ke sektoa ngōwe i amanaki ke kakato ai konga hono fitu a enau polo kalama tokoni i loa koe China Aid. Pea fili a Sami Wilavao ke hoko ko supervisor pule i he Komson fili a Tonga. Pea koe kakate pe mo unio ngongo i lea whatonga me letio ka uma afu ke televisione Tonga ki he hawani me i whaka amu na iau tono atu ki loto whale a Tonga hono kotoa. Whamalo e te tau keiwhi ao mai ko au sinoli tatu i vai ka mumia. Good evening and welcome to your English news package with radio and television Tonga news for tonight. Making headlines, Prince Regent to launch Tonga's first dedicated international cable in Vava'o. China praises progress of agricultural support program as phase 7 nears completion. And Samuel Lavau appointed as the chief supervisor of the Tonga Electoral Commission. We have these and more stories later on in the bulletin together with sports to wrap up with the latest weather updates. Now for the stories in details. The Prince Regent Crown Prince Tupotua Olukalala is expected to officiate the launching of the Tonga's second undersea cable in the Vava'o Island group tomorrow morning. Pierre Ollier with more on that story.
Speaking to Radio Tonga News, the CEO of Tonga Cable Limited, Misi Paula, said that the laying of this cable has taken 3 years and has now finally been completed. Discussions about the project began in December 2023 and the laying of the cable started in March 2024. Paula explained the benefits that this new cable will bring to Tonga a faster and more reliable internet connectivity across the country, stronger backup communications if one cable is damaged or disrupted. He adds this will improve the access to international networks and online services and better support for businesses, tourism, education and government services. Tonga is one of the vulnerable countries to the natural disaster, and this international cable will bring more stable communications during natural disasters and emergencies and reduce the risk of nationwide internet outages through a second international connection. It is understood that this is Tonga's second cable, but it is the first cable dedicated specifically for direct international connectivity.
The Chinese government has praised the effective use by Ministry of Agriculture of the opportunities and assistance provided to support the country's agricultural sector. This morning, the government of China and the Minister of Agriculture signed an agreement covering further agricultural assistance and equipment support for the sector. This program, Lydia Tongatapu was there and filed this report.
As part of the program, China's ambassador to Tonga, His Excellency Liu Weimin, presented agricultural equipment assistance to the Minister for Agriculture, William Sisfa. In his remarks, the Minister for Agriculture highlighted the importance of the strong cooperation with the Chinese government in strengthening Tonga's agriculture sector. It is understood that over many years the agriculture sector has developed through new knowledge and practices adopted from Asian partners. Speaking to Radio Tonga News, the acting CEO of the Ministry of Agriculture, Galati Hafoka, said the purpose of this morning's signing ceremony is linked to the expected completion of the 7th phase of China's Agriculture Assistance Program. Although the program phase will officially conclude in the new year, the Chinese government has already delivered the full assistance of equipment to Tonga for the ministry's use. The equipment includes machinery used for modern agricultural practices, livestock-related machinery, and other farming equipment. Meanwhile, Minister William Sisfa said that these partnerships are important, especially in supporting the overall well-being and development of the people and the country. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Lydia Tongatapu.
Samuel Aval, 37-year-old from Utulau and Lomaiviti, has been appointed as the Chief Supervisor or CEO of the Tonga Electoral Commission. This follows he replaces the former Chief Electoral Supervisor, Pitavuki. Lydia Tongatapu with more on that story.
This follows approval by the Board of Commissioners of the Tonga Electoral Commission after the board completed the proper procedures for submitting and selecting a candidate for the position. He officially began serving in the CEO role on the 8th of this month. Val had already been acting in the position following the retirement or leave of a former Chief Supervisor, Pitavuki. It is understood that the Electoral Commission Supervisor has the important responsibility of overseeing the daily operations of the Electoral Commission, carrying out official duties in accordance with the Electoral Commission laws and reporting directly to the Board of Commissioners. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Lydia Tongatapu.
And the Tonga police continue their efforts to arrest those who are selling, distributing and using illegal drugs in Tonga. At the end of the week, police arrested 2 people from Mataika Tongatapu, a 40-year-old man and 33-year-old woman in connection with the illegal distribution of illicit drug methamphetamine. The arrest followed information received by police that the 2 individuals were distributing methamphetamine to people in the community. Police allegedly found the bear together with methamphetamine, drug utensil, more than 70 bags of medicines that used to make drug products, and cash in Tongan baanga, New Zealand, Australian and American currencies. Police says they will continue their operation to arrest those distributing illegal drugs in Tonga. That is the local news for tonight. Sport is up next after this break with Pia Olie.
Welcome back in sport. His Royal Highness Prince Taufa Hauman Mataongo once again captained the Dubo College Grade 1 rugby team during the opening round of this year's Inter-College Rugby Union competition at Teuwhaiwa Sports Stadium on Friday. Dubo College faced Liahona Middle School in one of the opening fixtures as the Inter-College Rugby and Girls Netball seasons officially got underway, with soccer competition dates are yet to be confirmed. According to the Inter-College Sports Committee, 10 weeks have been allocated for the rugby union season, while the duration of netball and soccer competitions will depend on team registrations, where the rugby competition is expected to conclude on July 24th. In senior division results, Liahona High School dominated Dubo High School 116-3, while Abifo'o College defeated Tonga High School 26-7. Meanwhile, Tonga College and Dubo College had a tie of 26-26 in the senior grade open match. The draw for this week's matches is expected to be released following the committee meeting tomorrow. And that's sports news.
That is Bea Olie with the latest sports news. Now for the latest weather update to be presented by the Tonga Meteorological Services.
Hello and welcome to Evening Weather Update. Here's our main stories for tonight. We're still expecting unsettled weather for all of Tonga. Similar to the past 24 hours, it will be mostly cloudy, overcast at times, occasional rain with possible heavy falls and risk of thunderstorms. And for the wind will be strong, gusting up to gale force wind, specifically for the coastal waters. Taking a look at the satellite imagery, you can easily identify here the trough that lies over our areas, all the way from the newest down to Teleki Tonga and Teleki Tokelau, bringing us mostly cloudy, occasional showers, and also strong wind gusting up to gale force wind over most coastal waters. Therefore, in terms of our warning, a heavy rain warning flash flood advisory remains in force for Vava'u Ha'apai, Tongatapu and Eua land areas, and also a strong wind remains in force for Vava'u again, Ha'apai, Tongatapu and Eua land areas. For the coastal waters, a gale warning remains in force for Vava'u and Ha'apai coastal waters, and also strong wind warning, small craft advisory remains in force for the newest Tongatapu, Eua, Teleki Tonga and Teleki Tokelau coastal waters. For the next 5 days, we're expecting the trough to still remain in our areas for the next 24 hours before moving away to the east from our areas, while a high pressure will be to the south, bringing in the wind from the southeast, cool southeasterly wind, and also fine settled weather for the next 5 days toward the end of this week. And the forecast from tonight up until tomorrow, we're still expecting mostly cloudy, overcast, occasional showers, heavy falls over some places, and also risk of thunderstorms. And also the wind will be from the northeast for all of Tonga, 20 to 25 knots, rising up to 30 knots at times to 35 knots, gale force wind, specifically for the coastal waters of Ha'apai and also Vava'u for tonight. Minimum temperature will be around 24, 25 and 26 for the newest. And the forecast for tomorrow, mostly cloudy again. We're expecting the trough to still remain in our areas, bringing mostly cloudy, occasional rain, possible heavy fall, risk of thunderstorms over all of Tonga, from the newest down to Tongatapu and Eua with gale force wind, especially for the coastal waters of Vavau and also Hapai. And the maximum temperature will be around 27, 28 and 29 for the newest. And the tide prediction, high tide will be at around 25 minutes to 4 a.m. early tomorrow morning. Low tide will be at 5 minutes to 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. And for the sun and moon, sunrise will be at 8 minutes past 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Moonset will be at 24 minutes past 2 a.m. tomorrow morning again. Wrapping up the 5 days outlook for Nuku'alofa, starting by Wednesday up until Sunday this week, or toward the end of this week. Be mostly cloudy on Wednesday, seeing improvement by Thursday, mainly fine toward the end of this week. And here's the maximum temperature, 27 to 28 degrees Celsius. And that will be all for tonight. Good night.
That is the latest weather update. But before we part, here's one final look at tonight's top stories. Prince reaching to launch Tonga's first dedicated international cable in Vavau. China praises progress of agricultural support program as phase 7 nears completion. And Samuel Lavau appointed as the chief supervisor of the Tonga Electoral Commission. That's it for tonight. Thank you for your company. I'm Sonoli Tantu Iwai. Good evening.